Woo! Okay, maybe Ashley is onto something with the whole getting ready, but with no makeup, because I feel like my skin looks so much better. Like you guys know. Also, hi, welcome to Vlogmas 16? Vlogmas day 16, Flopmas day 16. Maybe she is onto something, you know? You guys know I'm normally full glam or not ready whatsoever. This looks quite better than yesterday. Huh. Anyway, Ash said she wanted to have another cute little sister day, and I was like, wait, that's perfect. I have some random things on my list that I want to do. I also have been wanting to film a like content creation. I filmed a video like maybe a month ago of me sharing some of my favorite like content creator tips and stuff, even if you just do like social media marketing, or if you know, or even if you're a manager and you post socials for a brand or something. I wasn't expecting the overwhelming response of you guys wanting more videos like that, and like an in-depth video of things to buy if you're making content, whether for a brand or for yourself. So I've put together a list. I think everything's pretty much come in, or I have it all. I'm really excited. So I want to film that, and I really do want to film that today. And then yeah, maybe Ash and I will get dinner or something, or like do something cute. I know I'm pretty much, knock on wood, I'm pretty much done with my Christmas shopping, which is crazy. Actually, I think I'm done. Oh, I do need to get Ashley a cake, because every year I forget to get, well, every year we forget to order a cake. I have time though. I've been using a cushion foundation again, and I forgot how good it is. Like this is all I wore when I came back from Korea. Oh my God. Also, a little bit of product goes a long way. Like this will blend majority of my skin. Oh my God. Also, something else really exciting is happening today. Like really, really exciting. Like I'm talking years in the making, but more so months in the making. And you may be able to hear them because they are downstairs right now. I need to do a full like proper video on it, but maybe I can give you guys a little sneak peek today. I'm so excited. Take your guesses, because I'm gonna tell you in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I finally hired a professional organizer to help me with my house. I'm so excited. They're downstairs starting on a few different closets and stuff, and I could not be happier. I could not be happier. I definitely want to do like a main channel video showing you guys like that whole process and stuff, but I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. We can go down there. I'm like, now you can hear him. I also keep accidentally getting lip liner all over my Invisalign, so I'm trying not to like fill in as much. It's so bad. I need to desperately clean that up. All right. Also, you probably saw, but I'm using the Lancome Idoli one, the brown one. And last time I was wearing false lashes with it, so it was kind of hard to see. This is 2 coats with no lashes. It looks good. Call me influenced, y'all. Me influencing myself. This one, great. I did not like the last one I got, which I forget. Oh, the one Rem recommended. Sorry, Rem, love you. I have a bang trim tomorrow. I want my bangs to be straight, but they're just too long, so we'll get them trimmed tomorrow. I just feel like the ends are like crispy, you know what I mean? Bear with me one more day. All right, putting some earrings in. Not sure if you guys have been able to tell, but I've just been obsessed with earrings lately. I've been obsessed with like filling all of my earrings up and then like having them mix match. Like no, they don't match. But I feel like the more it doesn't match, the better. And it's just like, it's super fun. I've been obsessed with that lately. Also, my ear's like so red because this conch piercing is like, it's super easy, but it took me a second. So don't mind the fact that that looks like a tomato, but oh my God, it's so red. Yeah, I want more piercings. I should do a piercing tour after I get more piercings because I want more on this ear. I'm also needing, like my ears are so sensitive, so I can't really have like cheaper earrings, and I feel like all of the gold jewelry I've been getting is just on the cheaper side. I even ordered some like this, I got this set, which one was it? I think it was this one. And it says it's hypoallergenic, but like it came and I swear it still kind of like hurt, so I don't know, I just feel like when I was a silver girly, it was so much easier to get anything sterling silver. If you guys have any jewelry brands, recommendations for sensitive ears, comment that below. Anyway, let's go check downstairs And then after that, we'll get into my content creation stuff. Oh, guys, this is Bailey. Hi. She's amazing. The shelving. The shelving. I should have gotten a good before. I keep saying that. Wow. 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 This is crazy. Rosie! And then we can move those two.
She's like,
wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say besides thank you. Oh my god. The next day, what do you need from me?
I have nothing because you went through everything.
Okay, yeah, I do have some more stuff upstairs, but now we know where.
Yeah.
Okay, yay!
Just bring it down, and then they'll be labeled. And then in here, we just added a couple more.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's so helpful. Oh my god! And the ones up there too. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yay! Then I'll see you Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
I think for sure more of these would be amazing. Perfect. And then we can label whatever you get.
Yeah.
Like even some of these, I need to like
go
get
through
a bigger bin for them.
Okay, perfect. Yay! And then I want to get cute little like bags that we can put here if friends want to come through before we donate everything. Amazing. Yay! Okay, PR closet. I'm in awe, you guys. This hasn't looked this good since I moved in when it was empty. I didn't even know there were coat hooks there. Oh my god, like this is actually crazy. I'm so excited. Obviously they're still working on these two, but there is another closet I want to show you and it's fully done and I'm like, oh my god. Okay, you guys know the pantry, right? Okay, I usually like organize this so often. It is looking crazy because for whatever reason I've been getting a lot of like snack PR and I need to reorganize that, so don't mind that. But this is the pantry. But when you come down here, this is like the utility closet. You're gonna scream. You like never really showed this on camera because it was so messy. I'll try to find it before. Sorry, the lighting is literal like horrible. I also feel like this light doesn't really do much, but oh my god, you can step in here. We have backup drinks. Everything is literally labeled. She's amazing. I'm gonna have her stuff in the description for you guys. Obviously, again, I wanna do like a full main channel video. Like, I could cry at how much this just soothes my brain. There's no way I could have ever done this, ever. Her boyfriend does like handy stuff, so he built these, like, they took out the old shelves, they put in these shelves, which made more room. They like have everything labeled. All of our board games are here. I'm just like, what? Oh, I filmed Ashley's reaction for her first time seeing this. It was so funny. This lighting is shit, but like, wow.
Oh, cool. This is nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's very nice.
Umbrella.
When it rains.
Yeah, and now I know where it is.
Now you know where it is?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
So good. You love it.
Wow, it's just so pretty.
Look at, you can step in there.
Yeah, I forgot there was like nice wood floor down there. Come here, Clo-Clo.
Just say you miss me.
Listen, it's just, we're connected. It's just, I'm drawn to you.
Or just say that you don't like vlogging in public by yourself and I'm here as an emotional support sister.
You are my emotional support.
I knew that was the case.
How else am I supposed to film in front of people?
No, literally.
Actually, I feel like I've gotten pretty stealth with it.
No, you just film B-roll on your phone.
Yeah. That's still stealth.
I know, but you'll be like, what, you didn't have, oh, there was a vlog recently I watched of yours. It was so good, but it was so funny because you were like, okay, I went to Target and it had one like aesthetic B-roll clip. It's so funny. Whoops. It's okay, I get it. Vlogging in public is hard. Change of plans. Ashley wanted to have a sister day and I want to prioritize that. So I'm going to film I was going to do a content creator like gift guide thing.
Don't make this like you're doing me a favor.
I am. I'm going to film that tomorrow or the next day. I also was like, I really wanted to get in a cute outfit today. I didn't dress from the waist down. This jacket I've had for years. It's from Urban Outfitters and I love it. The BDG brand. It's like a cropped little cargo one. Skims t-shirt, Elwood sweats, Uggs. Ding. It's the fit. You're not gonna do yours?
Sweater is Aritzia.
Nice.
Belt is Revolve. Pants are Levi's, but they were Allie Grace fitted them for me. And then these shoes are my Hoka's because I'm an old lady and need my
I was
inserts.
gonna say, you're kind of giving like hot stepmom. You know? Just gotta do present shopping for the kids.
Yes.
Quick return, that all? Look at you vlogging. Get it, bitch. Get it, girl. I think he'd love that. It's like really comfy too.
I can't tell if it's gray or green.
That one's green.
I like the green. I feel
Yeah,
that would
I
look
like
good
the green.
on him. Do you think he'd like that or like a pair of... He never really wears these.
Yeah, I think I'd give him the sweater. Ash, we should go to Sweet Fin.
You craving a roomy bowl?
I kind of am. And it's closed, so we could just like skedaddle over there.
Skedaddle over there.
Mm-hmm.
Every once in a while you say a word and I'm like, that's so mom.
Skedaddle. Also, I just took this photo of Rosie earlier. When we were cleaning up the closets, I found this Santa hat that I hadn't even used. So we obviously had to use it. Isn't that so freaking cute? I posted on my story, but now I made it my background. So if you guys want a twin, let me know. So you still need more ideas for Jackson?
I need to get Jackson something. He loved, I got him the Le Labo tester kit.
Yeah.
For our anniversary last year and he was obsessed. For our birthday dinner, I'm gonna take him to Le Labo also and have him pick out his birthday gift. So
Yeah.
he can like pick his scent. I'm gonna buy him a bottle.
Cute, I like that.
I need to get him one more small thing for his birthday. I was thinking something from he needs more like workout clothes. So I was thinking like aloe or something like that.
Wait,
like,
where are we going?
Like a set.
Oh, you're going around.
I want to get him like a cool jacket or something like street style. He has his like Aviator Nation one that he wears religiously.
Yeah.
And he needs something to like switch it out with.
Well, I know what he's getting you.
Like a new pair of you do know what he's getting me?
I do know what he's getting you.
Can I ask the price point?
Well, he's getting you a few different things, so I don't know price point, but
is he getting me a few different things for my birthday or a few different things for Christmas?
I think like collectively a few different things.
Yeah, I need more things.
I was just talking to Haley Heckman the other day because I was like, I'm really good at giving gifts, and I think it's because I have been single for quite some time. You know, I've just had years to have good ideas for it, and I'm always just like giving my friends who are in relationships the ideas. I like gave her like 4 and she was like, wait, that's so good. I was like, yeah, I know, I'm really good. So yeah, we'll brainstorm.
What I feel like he needs actually is like clothes, like clothing.
Like work stuff too.
Mom got him a work outfit, which is nice. And then I was thinking he needs more, like I got him some shirts from Elwood that I know he's gonna like. So then I need to figure out, like, I think he needs like a jacket or some cool shoes. Definitely could use a workout fit because he's been wearing the same stuff over and over again.
So yeah, maybe a jacket that he can wear to work, or, you know, I got Dad that one from Amazon.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah. So just say you wanted me to do your errands with you. Sister day my ass. I'm kidding. It does smell good. It smells like the beach.
It smells moist, yeah.
It smells good. It smells moist. Like, that cake is moist. Okay, then why don't we hop in Urban? Okay.
And I was thinking Free People. Or I know Free People Movement over there has some really cool stuff that I think she might like. Say that again. I said watch out. I'm in my orthotics. Stomp all over the place.
Ooh, nurse. Okay, hopping in here. They always decorate it so cute. Okay, this is adorable. Also, it's like, okay, lights, rave going on in here. Wait.
This is the cutest thing ever.
No, that's so cute. This is cute too. Little ballet. Stopping at Free People. All right, shopping center number 2. Oh yeah, I feel like you'll definitely.
Sugarfish for dinner?
Honestly,
There's an aloe here.
And a Viore? That was the Fred Siegel. Why would they have 2 of the same and a Free People movement? It must be because of the Equinox.
Let's go to aloe for Jackson.
Okay. I'm also very down for Air One if we want for lunch. I win. We're going to Air One. She hates when I vlog in public. I didn't know I was the only person getting something. I would have just eaten at home. Well, we can share. Look, they just came out. Oh, they had these skewers that came out right in front of me, so they're fresh, and then a turmeric jasmine rice, and then the 3 citrus salad.
I almost got a turmeric latte.
Ooh, maybe you're wanting some turmeric.
I'm wanting some turmeric.
Okay, so it seems like it was a slight fail coming here, other than me getting food, so maybe it wasn't a fail. Ash is sad because she didn't find any gift. Oh my god, you have to do that.
Look, I really got this. I liked this. It's from Nike, but it's $300. And I'm like, it shouldn't be $300.
Okay, we're trying the turmeric rice. Really good.
Okay.
Kind of giving like a curry. I was gonna get meatballs, but then they came out with this, so I was like that. Alrighty. Update. It's later. Not only is it later, but we are about to do something exciting. We are about to switch over to my 3rd week of Invisalign. And to be honest, I'm like really proud of myself. I didn't think we would make it so easily. I will say this is the last set of trays before they start having to put the buttons on, but they're closed for the holidays, so I have to have these for like, I think 2 weeks. So it's gonna put me behind a week, but at least it's 1 more week of not needing the buttons. So, I just brushed my teeth and flossed. We got this. Oh my God, I don't even think I vlogged me coming home. Oh my God, well anyways, from the last time that you saw me, came home, did some doom scrolling on TikTok because I was really tired. Ate dinner, took a shower, washed my hair, did my skincare, posted on Patreon announcing our giveaway winner. We're doing like a whole bunch of stuff on there for basically unfiltered and stuff. Normally Cal does all that, but him and Remy are on a flight coming back from New York, and the Wi-Fi was like really bad, and I was honestly just chilling. So I was like, I got it, let me do it. It was kind of stressful. Oh my God, I was like, I don't know where drafts are, but I did it. And I'm proud. Anyway, oh, I also sent my footage. I feel like we had a productive moment. I'm gonna FaceTime Ollie because we are going to watch one of our favorite shows. Answer. Ollie, baby? He lives. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe. How weird. I didn't get a notification I called.
Oh my God, weird. Mercury's out of Gatorade. What the hell?
It's so mean.
That's so mean. I'm vlogging, by the way, if you want to say hi to Vlogmas.
Oh my God. Hi, Vlogmas. I'm not even calling it Vlogmas. So good.
Thank you. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm ready whenever you are, but no rush.
Okay, gorge. I'm currently trying to find some